Okay, I'm very happy to be with you here today. So let's jump right in. Okay, there is no need to wonder continually on the opinions of someone who did not make me, form me, which is the higher self, your higher self. Going from an active brain to a silent brain that is peaceful and happy, it takes one day. Time is not a factor. There is no in heaven. There is no such thing as time in heaven. You don't need to rethink the bad thought. Not remembering the thought I am refusing that does not belong to me is not a problem, rather an indication of my disattachment to negativity. It is something positive, this disattachment. Saints can play sports without hurting physically another person. Often, especially in wrestling, players compete with a vengeance. They are expected by the crowd, by the audience, to dismember another's body parts for a thrill from the watchers. When it comes to itchy skin, try your best to scratch it sympathetically, gently. Our body needs a kind soul. Try to make an effort to give your attention, energy to good, not bad. Often, don't search for evil. Often people look at the hurt of others for entertainment purposes. This is counterproductive. Television is a tool to be used for self-advancement purposes and not self-destruction purposes. Our brain, when supported by the exposure of harmonious material, views life likewise. It is also the reverse. Our brain, when exposed to harmful material, views life likewise in distress and hurt and negativity. Harmful or harmony, that is the question. A useful tool to use when discomfort with a person speaking focus is to focus on their lyrics spoken by and for example, if you feel a little scared by the way a person sees you while they speak with you face to face, visualize some of the words they speak. Example, orange, O, visualize ORANG. Visualize the spelling if you can without your mind drifting off into thoughts. This is tricky for those who are trying to recall what they have to say next. That's where being present matters. No past, no future is preferred because in the present you are not alone, you are with your divine. Calamities will continue. It is up to me to be disturbed by them or not. How I react to them matters. Behavior alone does not apply with this indicates the thoughts that a person has in their mind, hearing disturbing words. It's not a good thing. You have to be more present and not digest the words. Due to the unforeseen calamities, people feel sorry for themselves. Feeling sorry for oneself is said to be addictive. De- Detach, what is that? Detach and eliminate it ASAP. Lingering with such negativity for long leads to health complications. Our cells are sensitive. Be careful what you expose them to. It is important not to expose them to harmful, hazardous material. Our cells can pick that up from the environment. Those are some more secrets towards eternal, becoming an eternal soul, a free of hurt soul advice I'm giving will come next. It will continue to come until my book of holy learning that I received, holy teachings from my higher self, will be complete, and that will take some time. It's a very long sequence of messages I received, and they're very eye-opening for many who are brought up by the media. The media is not the right tool to use to grow in awareness and closeness to your higher self. It's messages from people like saints like Buddha, God, Allah, Jesus, and so on. These are the tools to use if you want peace of mind. Okay, that's the end. Have a nice day, and I will see you next, as soon as possible, maybe next week. So stay aware, stay in the present. Meditation is crucial. And the more you get and stay in the present, close to your higher self, the more you will notice that things go the way you want them to. Things just magically happen as you wish because you're connected directly to your higher self. Like the other day, I wanted to speak with someone, and I went up to him and I spoke to him about a project, and there was no intervention from um their driver. The driver waited patiently, and it just turned out well. And, because I was in the present often, and I wasn't judging others negatively. I didn't judge the driver. I didn't judge the person I was trying to get help from. And yeah, awareness is beautiful. Thank you.